Today we want to show you how to use Sophtron Grocery Shopping API with ChatGPT. First, let's go to Sophtron widget to connect to my Kroger account. Sophtron can connect to a grocery membership account and get your purchase history. Now the connection is done. Let's go to ChatGPT to add the connector to Sophtron. Here we are adding a connector to Sophtron's MCP server. As soon as the purchase data is imported into ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT to summarize my grocery shopping habit. It also does a good job summarizing my eating habit based on what I bought. Apparently, I am eating way too much sweets and fruits, but not enough vegetables. I also eat a lot of frozen food, like frozen pizzas. That is not good for my health. Now I am asking it to give me a category-by-category report on how much I'm spending on grocery and see where I can save. Wow, I cannot believe I have spent $700 on fruit. That is a lot. Now I ask GPT for some budgeting advice while helping me eat healthy. There are a lot GPT can do with all the purchase history data from Sophtron. I can get a meal plan, ask for healthier alternatives, calculate my daily nutritional intake.